So, dear parents and students, this is a video for revision of Tux Paint. I am giving you the tutorial for creating solar system and planets. This is not exactly the correct representation of solar systems. It's just a fun way to represent the planets. So let us not get into the technical aspects of it. We just want to ensure that children learn the basic skills related to Tux Paint. So first of all, we open Tux Paint by going to Start button. On most computers, on the Start button, there is an option for all programs in which children can find Tux Paint. Otherwise, mostly if you are using Tux Paint regularly, the option will show in the main menu itself as Tux Paint full screen. So Tux Paint full screen has to be opened, not the windowed one. Now, first of all, because we are creating the space, so we will click on new and click on black canvas and double click on black. So we'll get a black canvas. Now we will first of all we will go about creating our planet. So at the first screen is black. We are going to first of all go to shapes option on our screen and click on once we click on that, we get the shapes in the selector option and we click on circle. So we go for fill shape and then we will click on yellow color and create our sun, which is the biggest circle that we will create. A little bit bigger can also be initiated. Now we will have a gradient or a shading option in this. So we will go about, we'll go to the fill option. Now in fill option, usually we do solid fill to completely fill the shape. But here we will go for linear fill to go for a gradient or a shading option. Now we will click at the side of the sun that we've created and gently drag our mouse without doing the finger up. Now the sun is complete. After this, we will create the rest of the planets. So the easiest amongst these would be Earth and Mars. So first we will click on red color, fill shape, again circle and make a small Mars. Again, we will click on blue color and make Earth. For making Earth, we need to make some markers because there is life on this planet. So we will go to paintbrush option and under brushes, we will select the second brush. Now we will click on black color and make the markings for the land masses. Once the markings are complete, make sure when you're making the markings, the figure should be complete, the marking should be complete. There shouldn't be any open spaces in between. If I leave any of these markers incomplete, then when I fill the color in the shapes that have been created, the sub shapes that have been created, the color will not be filled properly. Before we fill, under fill option, we must click on solid shape and then fill all the markers that we have created for our land masses. So now we have completely created planet Earth. Next we will go on to create planet Saturn. For Saturn, we must choose a cream color or a slightly beige color and make Saturn like this. Now Saturn usually has rings. So for that we will click on ellipse shape, click on brown color. Now for making ellipse, we will click on the unfilled ellipse shape under shapes and stretch our ellipse shape sideways to create a ring for Saturn. If we move our mouse a little to the left, we will be able to create a tilted ring for the Saturn planet. So this is how Saturn is completed. Now we will try to create Jupiter. So for Jupiter, we'll use an even lighter shade of off-white, which is usually the color on this side, as you can see. And we will go back to circle shape and create Jupiter on the side like this. it is the biggest planet in our solar system. So we need to make sure that the sizes are proper and the space is used accordingly. We go to planet. We go back to paintbrush, and we select brown color, and then we will make markers or the craters that we know are visible on Jupiter, like so. Now we will use red color with the same paintbrush. Again, please remember, when we are making any kind of markers, it is always better to use the second number brush under brush selector tool when we use paintbrush, or even when we are making lines, right? So again, we'll use red color, and Jupiter usually has a big red spot in the middle. So we are trying to recreate that by doing this. So this is how we make a uneven sort of red spot, and now Jupiter is almost complete. In order to make this drawing more whimsical and fun, we can add another shape, let's say in with circle, which is a purple color planet. It could be any planet that children can imagine. So this is an additional planet that we create. For fun, children can also, and for practice, children can also make an ellipse shape around this planet with a lighter color, and like this. So we have made another planet in the solar system. Now we go about making the rocket. For the rocket, it is the most simplistic way of making a rocket is using a rectangle. We are first going to use a rectangle, and you can use any color that you like. Let's say a light pink color. It can be any fun color that the child wishes to use. Make the rectangle not too wide, but slightly on the elongated thin side, and like this it is complete. Then you take the triangle shape and complete the rocket on top. For fun, children wanted to add, when we were doing it in class, they wanted to add a small window. So we did that for the rocket. And in order to make it look more like a rocket, we'll go to paintbrush. We'll go down under the brush tool, brush selector tool. We'll go down. There is an option of star. Select this option. Select yellow color first and gently drag like so to make the rocket fire look realistic. And then you can use orange color as well to embellish it. Then using the same brush under paintbrush, you can select yellow color to make stars at some intervals, and then use white and gray color also to make stars again. So this way your painting becomes more attractive and complete. And then at the end, you can go to text option, click at the top of your screen, write your name like so, and this is how we create a simple drawing of outer space on TuxPaint. So hopefully you will practice it at home, and this tutorial will help you to revise TuxPaint at home. Thank you.